Hi, if you are interested in using low-code automations, this video is at your service. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you some Latenode platform abilities that will surely boost your productivity and supercharge your workflow. Let's switch to action, or better say, trigger action, because it's main operational principle of a platform.
Here it is, the main page where you can see all of your scenarios. You have surely noticed these pretty little icons over there. First in line is a trigger node, and then go the actions it activates. Talking about triggers, we may split them into three types: webhook, schedule node, and any app from Latenode zero code library. Webhook activates the scenario every time the signal comes to a customizable URL. Schedule node provides activation in any period of time set, also shown in a cron expression. Regarding to no-code applications, all you need to use them is registration. Let me show you a quick example. We'll make a new scenario and adding a Google Sheets node, new raw as a trigger. Here we need to input an access token that we get after registration. I already have one. Then we'll fill in other fields and click in save. Then I added an email node and filled out the form, save the project. And now I have a scenario that sends an email after adding a new raw in a certain spreadsheet. Latenode's app library obviously contains action nodes like the one I've used in this scenario and many others. But if the number of apps doesn't satisfy your need, we have an HTTP node that makes you able to add any services with an API to your scenario. Here is a scenario made for bulk sending of emails. I used an HTTP request node for Mailgun integration. That's how it works. A detailed instruction is in link in the description. If you need some specific data obtained during the execution, or just information that everything went well or wrong, we introduce you to webhook response. Inside of that node we have status, body, and some other parameters like value and key. And finally, one and the only JavaScript node with an AI assistant inside. Does it code in the cloud? Yes, it does. Does it make Latenode available even for those who don't know what is API? Yes, it does. Let me show you one more quick example. Let's build a new scenario. What we shall do. Let's add webhook as a trigger. Then goes JavaScript node. And at last, webhook response. Webhook activates the scenario, JavaScript provides an HTML form, and webhook response displays it on our screen. First, let's save this scenario where we did nothing and see what happens. We need to copy that URL from webhook trigger and paste. Environment not active. Pretty accurate. Let's run once. Nothing. But here we already have information that something had happened. So let's build a form. Oh no, code! Don't worry, just asking AI. So I asked an assistant to make a HTML form with some input field, beautify it a bit, and send back as a JSON object. Let's see how he handles it. Here it is. All we need is to replace it and save. Save here. Inside the webhook response, we need to check the value to text HTML and add the body HTML here. Save, save, and run once. Let's see. Here it is.
That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Remember, Latenode's here to empower your automation journey, so stay tuned. See you soon and happy automating!